Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating an Apple ID that iCloud uses. Start now. Open Settings and tap Sign In, then choose Create Apple ID. Use a working phone number and a recovery email. Apple will verify them. Pick a strong password and note security questions. These protect your account when you change devices. Once done, accept terms and follow on-screen verification prompts. Make sure to read the data and privacy summaries so you know what iCloud will sync and backup automatically. After signing in, go to iCloud settings and toggle the services you want to use. You enable photos if you need cross-device image sync, contacts and calendars for continuity, and keychain for saved passwords. This centralizes data securely. Next, enable iCloud backup so your device backs up automatically when charging on Wi-Fi. If you need more space, upgrade your storage plan. Do that before large uploads. Make sure to confirm Find My is active to locate devices and protect your account. Finish by confirming two-factor authentication is set and that your trusted phone number receives verification codes. Check iCloud.com or another device to verify contacts, photos, and documents are syncing. This proves the setup worked. If you hit a problem, pause, sign out of iCloud, restart the device, then sign back in. Make sure Wi-Fi and time settings are correct. If issues persist, reset network settings as a targeted troubleshooting step and try syncing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.